Never thought of starting over in a world where we can breathe, feeling free and in the moment, and be who we want to be. Oh, I believe if we risk it all, there's a place for us through the rise and fall. Don't let go. The morning comes and I'll be there. In the darkness I will be your shelter. Don't be scared when it seems to fall apart, 'cause even though it may not be the same, but we will make it through. And I'll be there, and we're always on the run to something new. Suffering in silence with our backs against the wall. Even though we try to hide